A very good morning to all of you, and I'm very happy to have been given this opportunity to speak to you, my dear parents, my dear teachers, and my dear students. As probably by now you would know, I am Father Bosco de Mello, your new principal for Don Bosco IEAS. And at the very outset, I'd like to say a sincere word of gratitude to our outgoing principal, Father Lionel Braganza, for having mentored this institution for the past 17 years and more. He has definitely taken IES to a standard which is unmatchable, probably with any school in and around Kuwait. I want to wish him all the very best as he leaves us in order to pursue things which he loves and which he wants to contribute through himself to the province. My dear boys and girls, my dear parents, I'm very happy to be here in Kuwait at the helm of this institution. And I would like to, at the very outset, congratulate all my teachers who I have met personally in these days that I've been around the place for all the efficiency and the hard work that they put in order to make teaching and learning during this very difficult times a very experiential process. I know it hasn't been easy on them in order to take forward teaching and making it effective. But I must tell you, and I must say it with a lot of authority, that yes, all my teachers have very beautifully kind of got into this whole system of the online education. I would also like to thank Father Derek in a very special way, our director and our rector, for all the attention that he pays in order to make the system and education a very pleasant experience. I was very happy to see the technology that is being used at IEAS, and I want to tell you that though I am coming from the Mumbai province, I think very few schools back in Bombay, and maybe also I would go a little further by saying in India, would be using the technology that we at IEAS Don Bosco are using. And having technology is one thing, but using it efficiently and effectively is another thing. And that is where I would like to bring my teachers back into the frame to tell you as to how beautifully they have exploited every single kind of thing that is there in that particular screen and brought it across to you to make their teaching effective. My dear boys and girls, my dear parents, as I come to IEAS, I come to a system that is well established. So I don't see myself rocking the boat very much. But definitely, what I would like to bring in a special way to IEAS is something by way of making my children world ready, or earth ready, or state ready, or country ready. We know that education definitely plays a very, very important role, and your subjects are certainly an important aspect of your education. But the world today is changing, and we've got to see and ask ourselves, how do I fit into the world today? How do I take my math into the world? How do I take my science into the world? How do I take my languages into the world and make that something special for myself? So that is where, my dear boys and girls, my dear parents, is where I'd like to come into the picture as principal of this place. I want you, my dear boys and girls, to become confident citizens, to become citizens who are people with a heart. It's not money or fame that all the time will make a difference to us in the world. But how am I going to make a difference in the lives of others is something which I need to ask myself. It's very easy to kind of, maybe while in school, taking a very simple example of maybe leaving something to people who have been assigned to a particular task. It's very easy maybe to see some kind of a litter around the place and say it's the job of the kachra wala maybe. But that is not what we need to see that particular person as. We need to understand that that particular person is doing a job. And if that particular person is doing a job, I can definitely help that person to do the job better by I myself taking care of my class, to see to it that I do not litter around the place. I use the appropriate conveniences that have been given to me and use those conveniences well, so that everyone in the campus is able to kind of produce or maybe effectively contribute towards their task. So I'm looking at introducing a lot of co-curricular things within the system, where our children go out of the system as confident individuals. It's not only the percentage that will make a difference to you, getting a 95 and not being able to maybe fix a bulb or maybe take care of something which is very essential to carry on with my life. I think we would be missing out on something in our life. So, my dear parents, my dear children, we will work on ourselves in order to go out of the IAAS system or the Don Bosco system as complete individuals. As they say, that very famous Raymond ad, the complete man or the complete woman. That is what we will want our children to be going out of the system, where I am able to carry on a conversation with someone. I am able to know what's happening around the world, what are the issues that are troubling the world, and how already being in school, I am able to contribute in a positive manner. So, my dear parents, my dear children, I feel very happy and privileged to be here. And as I told you, we are blessed in this particular place with very eminent individuals. We have Sir Jijo, who is the vice principal and has been in this place for many, many years and exactly knows what are the needs of this particular place. We have teacher Alit, who takes care of the primary section, again with a lot of experience and always focused as to what is good for our children. And we have teacher Muriel, who is the coordinator of the KG section, who again is very motherly and very, very focused and oriented towards the needs of the parents and the children. So along with them and along with our director, the Derek, and along with our teachers, I hope to make IAAS an institution with a difference. And my dear parents, I am sure you would know that without your support and without your cooperation, this will only remain a dream. I look forward to your support, your cooperation as we take IAS to great standards and make our children into worthy citizens. I want to wish you Christmas blessings. We have been having fantastic talks these days, and all our teachers have been giving us beautiful messages. And Christmas is a time where it brings people together from whichever part of the country we are, from whichever part of the world we are. It is a festivity for togetherness, and we can spread this love, joy, and peace when we are able to give something of ourselves. Not necessarily all the time we may be able to give something monetarily, but definitely we can give our time, we can share our smile, we can give our talents to those who we come into contact with. Probably if we are able to do something like this during the season of Christmas, Christmas will definitely be much more better for each and every one of us. Wishing you, my dear friends, my dear family, my dear parents, my dear teachers and students, a very Merry Christmas. And when you come into the new year, we come up with a lot of hope, come up with a lot of excitement, and we pray during these days that the COVID may be something of the past, and we continue taking the precautions that we need to take during this COVID time, that have been given to us as advices. God bless you all, and I am hoping to have a very pleasant journey along with all of you during these days which I spent with you. God bless you all and stay blessed.